right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, dual moonroof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, front performance, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.